Okay, so hi dear Capricorn. Very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Capi Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the 1st of December, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. Okay. Now, if you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. You will find the link in the description box. And if you want to start your self-healing journey with the best like healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono, you can start with my masterclass. It's 1 hour masterclass, super easy to understand. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can book your slots, and link is given in the description box for everything. Let's start with your reading. Cappies, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. We have the Seven of Wands. Someone is feeling blocked by you, or they are feeling like they should keep themselves blocked in the situation. They should keep their energies intact. Let me clarify the Seven of Wands, like what is happening. We have the Five of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, the Hanged Man. This is someone who is feeling left out in the cold by you, and they're trying their best to get out of this situation and move on from the situation, but at the same time, they are feeling completely stuck in the situation. Wow. This person right now is living in the surrender mode. Whatever is happening is happening. They're just trying to be okay. They're just trying to move on. They're just trying to make use of this energy of feeling left out in the cold, and transmutation of energies is going on. Wow. So basically, this person is feeling left out in the cold by you, and they're trying their best to protect their energies from getting hurt again in this lifetime. They are just trying to move on, but they're stuck on you. They can't. God, stuck on you. Completely stuck on you, on this situation. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? Let's see from Capricorn side what is happening. Eight of Wands. So from your side, you feel like you should just talk it out. You should have back and forth communication. If you guys are living at a distance from each other, you feel like visiting this person, but you feel like sorting it out with them. Let's clarify the Eight of Wands. We have the Knight of Wands, the Five of Wands, the Queen of Pentacles. Yes, you feel like as a mature adult, as a like earth sign maybe, you feel like having a very mature communication with this person, sorting it out with this person, so that you guys can have a stable base for the future direction of the situation. Basically, you are very much attracted to the idea of sorting it out with this person and creating a stable base for the future, whether it's going to be like this is over or you guys are going to restart, but you definitely feel like sorting it out with this person as beautifully as you can, so that you guys can make the final decision of either letting it go or coming back together. That's pretty cool. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Wow. Their intention is to detach. Their intention is to get out of this energy of feeling stuck in the situation all the time. Okay, let me clarify that of Cups. Okay, honey, what is wrong? Let's see. We have the Two of Cups, the Nine of Wands, the Tower. Wow. According to them, this person is kind of declaring this situation as a disaster, and they want to get out of this disaster. According to them, they gave you so much of love and everything from their side. Now they can't do it anymore because they're too hurt to even think about it. At the same time, they're showing me they love you. They just want to unlove you and want to get out of this jail. There's this feeling hurt all the time kind of energy. They basically want to walk away from the situation completely because this is a disaster and they don't want to handle it anymore. although they are still in love with you and they are still stuck. They just want to get out of this situation and maybe never look back. They're hurt. They're hurt, very deeply hurt, wounded. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? Don't fall. You can fall for me, but don't fall down, okay? I'm talking to my camera, honey. Shit. Yeah, this is causing you a lot of mental stress and you just want to get out of this. Although I have never connected with a Capricorn in my life, but for earth signs, I know one thing for sure: they want peace of mind all the time. It's not happening. They are always in this energy of pissed off, frustrated, and angry. You don't want to be in this energy anymore, right? Let's clarify the Five of Swords. Wow, I have never been in a connection with a Capricorn whatsoever. Not neither a friend nor a connection. Nobody. Never dealt with a Capricorn, I guess. Anyways, again, you want to take the action of unblocking the blockages out of the situation so that either it's going to work out beautifully and or you guys will be able to move on from the situation beautifully. You are thinking about this connection as a whole, you are thinking for the both of you and you want the best for both of you, but you're not able to understand what you should do, and that is kind of pissing you off more, right? Because the other energy is kind of very adamant and very much in this energy of I have to let it go. One of you is trying to sort it out, the other energy is kind of saying goodbye. I don't want to hear about it because they're hurt. God, it's complicated. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 1st of December. We have the Ace of Pentacles. Okay, honey. So you are having a brand new beginning in this direction, maybe with something else or someone else. Something else is maybe a work situation that you're working on. Pentacles represents money, earth, and materialistic things as well. Let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles. We have the King of Cups. Aww. Someone is coming towards you with a lot of love. You can expect a sudden unexpected message, communication, apology, or some kind of emotional kind of energy coming towards you, rushing towards you and wanting to have a brand new beginning with you. So this is all just a game, to pretend that they don't want you anymore, they don't want to be with you anymore, blah, blah, blah. And suddenly out of the blue, when you will be least expecting to hear from this person, they're coming towards you with this energy of I can't live without you. Can we be together? Okay, now it could be you. It could be them coming to you. It could be you going towards them. But doesn't matter. The end results matter. And the end result is kind of telling me that there is a very high chance of suddenly out of the blue things getting a turn for the better. And you guys are having a brand new beginning in this direction with somebody. And a lot of love from both the sides eventually. Wow, I'm feeling so hot right now. It's November. It's almost end of November. It's so hot in Mumbai. Guidance for you, 10 of Wands. Okay. You have to let go of everything stressful out of this situation. You have to let go of the small things and small factors that you might be creating scenarios about, that this is something that I can't handle, this is something that I can't handle. See, in relationships, you gotta handle small irritations and frustrations, not to give them too much energy. Yeah. And you have to let go of everything stressful. It's basically a brand new beginning, a fresh new rebirth kind of energy in the situation. So everything that happened in the past, you have to keep that in the past, right? Having a clean slate is very, very difficult, but adding past in the present or in the future is not going to help you guys in any way whatsoever. No matter how beautiful you feel like you should bring the past back in the present or whatever. So let the past be in the past and enjoy the new energies and rebirth of a connection or a beautiful situation that is coming towards you very unexpectedly. So enjoy. Yeah. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.